Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your photo and immediately duplicating the background so you can experiment non-destructively. Once done, confirm the image is in RGB and set appropriate resolution. This matters for output quality. Make sure rulers and guides are visible, then crop to frame the subject. Hold Shift for fixed ratios. You should also straighten horizons using the measure tool. That small correction makes colors and composition read much cleaner before you move on to tonal and color edits. Next, you tackle tonal balance and color because that defines the mood. Start with levels or curves to set black and white points. This restores punch and range. Then, make targeted color adjustments. Use color balance or hue saturation to refine skin or sky tones, and lower saturation slightly if colors feel oversaturated. For localized fixes, create a new layer and add a layer mask. Paint at low opacity to blend corrections naturally. This keeps edits reversible and lets you refine without harming the whole image. To finish, sharpen smartly and export. Create a merged copy, Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E, then use Unsharp Mask or a subtle high-pass overlay to enhance detail. Keep radius and amount conservative to avoid halos. Once satisfied, export with Export As, picking file type and quality. For web use, JPEG 80-90% or PNG for transparency. If you see banding or artifacts, make sure you worked in 8/16-bit appropriately. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.